This is to give you an idea of what I'm talking about with the tide, boys. I've never seen this before in my life. Now, usually you have people camped out here, tents, blankets. This is a nice little spot for like this play. You can't do it today. You can't do it today. No room. It's incredible. The wooden poles out there, they look like they're way out there. It's unreal. I don't want to know what it feels like. I know that I'm going to get in at least waist deep. I can't watch a little boy get in the water and get his chest wet with a shirt without trying at least waist deep myself. Here's what the beach looks like today. On the final beach walk of the year. A lonely piece of driftwood there. I guess it comes out even further. I guess it comes up even further. Maybe at the evening. I don't know. Let's look at this. You have all this stuff that's washed up. Maybe it does. Sand has a little heat to it today. It's not scorching, obviously, but all right, boys. Let's head to the dock.